If your crawl space feels damp and musty, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Bedred 95-ounce Dehumidifier. The Bedred 95-ounce dehumidifier caught my eye immediately with its sleek black design and a price tag of just $59.98. If you want a compact solution that fits seamlessly into your home while tackling moisture, this is worth a serious look. This dehumidifier covers up to 1,000 square feet, making it perfect for spaces like living rooms and basements. It uses thermoelectric cooling to efficiently remove moisture from the air, creating a more comfortable environment. With a 95 fluid ounce tank, you won't have to constantly empty it, and the automatic shutoff feature gives you peace of mind when it's full. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A drier crawl space means better air quality and fewer allergens, which is crucial for your family's health. Plus, it has a delightful 7-color ambient light feature that can transform the mood of any room. Now, some people complained about the noise level, saying it can be a bit loud. Here's the thing though, if you run it in less frequented areas like a basement, it's really not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable and stylish solution for moisture control. However, skip this one if you need a heavy-duty unit for larger areas or extreme humidity. For its price, it offers good value. Now, if the Bedred's noise level worries you, this next one offers a quieter experience while covering the same area. Product number 3. Viegaso 2,500 square foot dehumidifier. Let's talk about the Viegaso dehumidifier, which is a bit pricier, but it's worth it if you need serious moisture management. With a capacity of 34 pints and the ability to cover 2,500 square feet, this one is the heavy hitter of the bunch. This model features 3 smart modes: DEU for general moisture control, DRY for delicate closing, and CONT for continuously moist areas. It's easy to switch between modes, allowing you to customize based on your needs. It also includes 2 drainage options, a manual tank and automatic hose for continuous drainage, which is super convenient if you don't want to empty a tank frequently. The intelligent touchscreen control makes it user-friendly. You can adjust settings with just a touch. Some users did find it a bit bulky and heavy, which can be a hassle if you need to move it around. But here's the thing, for the coverage and features, that weight means you're getting a solid, durable unit. This is perfect for you if you have a large area that needs consistent humidity control. Skip this if you're looking for something compact for small spaces. For a bit more investment, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for a solution specifically designed for crawl spaces, check this next product. Product number 4. The CAD-PXS Crawl Space Ventilation Fan. The CAD-PXS Crawl Space Ventilation Fan comes in at $119.66 and is specifically designed for those tricky crawl spaces. If you're battling with moisture in a confined area, this is a great option to consider. This fan moves air at a powerful 220 CFM, making it effective at ventilating and improving air quality in your crawl space. It features a built-in dehumidistat, allowing it to maintain humidity levels between 20% and 80%, which is crucial for preventing mold and mildew in those damp areas. The freeze protection thermostat is a nice touch, ensuring that it doesn't operate in extremely cold temperatures. This means you're protected year-round. Some users noted that the installation process can be tricky if you're not handy, but here's the thing. Once it's set up, it works efficiently to solve your moisture problems effectively. This is perfect for you if you have a crawl space that needs constant ventilation and air quality management. However, skip this if you prefer a standalone dehumidifier that you can move around easily. It's a solid investment for keeping your crawl space dry and healthy. Product number 5. Churnland V2D Crawl Space Ventilator. Rounding out our list is the Churnland V2D, priced at $119.92. This ventilator fan is another great choice for those needing to reduce moisture in their crawl spaces. With a powerful 220 CFM, this fan is designed to ventilate through existing passive vents, making it an ideal choice if you're looking for a straightforward installation. It's equipped with a thermostat and dehumidistat, which helps maintain optimal humidity levels while effectively exhausting moisture and odors. This model integrates well into standard-sized brick foundations, making it versatile for various homes. However, some users reported issues with the fan's noise level. Here's the thing, if you have it installed in a less frequented area, it's manageable and definitely worth the trade-off for effective moisture control. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable solution to reduce moisture in crawl spaces. Skip this if you're looking for a quieter option or need something portable. It's a solid value for the performance it brings. Now, let's wrap things up and compare all these options. Looking at all 5 products, each offers something unique for managing moisture in crawl spaces. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Viagaso dehumidifier because of its extensive coverage and smart features tailored for larger areas. However, I'd recommend avoiding the CAD PXS if you're not up for installation challenges. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.